This video is just going to show some of the issues that are still to be resolved with our place. So the fridge was damaged in the move. It's kind of hard to see. There's a couple of other fairly large dents in the fridge itself. You get the right lighting to see them. These are all on the refrigerator's door side. There's the other two. We are missing the seams here between the cabinets and the flooring, all throughout the kitchen. I won't even go into the paint that I had to scrape off the floor from the baseboard guys. There is clearly something not correct here at the seam of the new floors and the stairs. And then I'll come down here to our front door. We've got quite a big scrape, and then just scrapes up and down the doorway as well. We're missing, I'm assuming it's supposed to be there, a piece of baseboard or something's not right with that. On this side as well. And I think that covers things that I can think of off the top of my head.